Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to the live stream. So on today's live stream, we're going to be doing some more game programming stuff, and I had a couple of ideas for what I was going to work on programming tonight, but I kind of did some of those things a couple of days ago. So it's going to be kind of a make things, but I don't know what kind of things yet in the stream. So let's get into the stream, guys. I hope you guys are doing really well tonight. And let's get into things. Alrighty. So here's our little overworld from last time. Our still very basic dungeon entrance. And we click here, we can go to our dungeon. So here's some of the stuff I've been working on since last time. Got a few more things added here. Finally have a, I have like 3 unfinished enemies still, but I finally have this guy mostly finished now. Just gotta tweak him some. So, I guess let's play test what we got so far. So yeah, I've actually been feeling really motivated to work on this, and oh, we can finish up a day-night cycle. We can work on that. Although, come to think of it, I also want to get the central thingy in this room working. I got some collectible objects from the boxes, as well as some permanent health ups. That little item there, I'll probably change the design of it down the road, but for now, it just upgrades your health by 5 points. So let's see what our new enemy can do. So yeah, choppers, what they'll do is they'll kind of home in on you using electricity field, and when you hit them, they kind of flee from you. But as you can see, he's a bit slow, so probably gonna modify him some more. Still have this guy from last time. Also, I modified the movement some too, so where you move a little bit faster running and jump a little bit less high. And also, I don't think I got it finished last time, but I got the logic for the doors working. So now all we gotta do is go in this room. Avoid the goobers. Fall in acid. So if you saw the door at the entrance to this place, there are 4 lights, and this light was not. Hey Ezekiel, welcome to the live stream. How you doing, dude? Owie. And you good? So yeah, you saw that message pop up once we hit the right combinations of buttons. And now this door is unlocked. Well, thank you, dude. This song is Pokemon. It's actually a Pokemon song with the Zelda instruments put over it. add a little bit of shortcut here back to the start, so that after you get everything in this area, you can quickly get back. There's another permanent health up right here. Falling down here just takes you back to the beginning right here. I know, it's great. I've added a lot of stuff with like the Ocarina of Time sound font for stuff. Oops. Hold on. It was Dragonspire Tower, I think. Oh yeah. This is Stone Tower Temple, I think. Yep. But it's like a folk version. Also, one thing I've had kind of working for a while but haven't really shown off is up here. Every now and again, these guys will appear. These are some anomalies that will actually be in the game. Yes. And all those trees will do is ask you questions, and that's how you solve their anomaly. I actually put an anomaly in my anomaly game. Alright, so let's think about what we want to do. Gotta tab over to Godot. Like I said, I think one of my goals is I want to add a switch to make this rise up. I think I'm going to put it in... Well, I guess really I could just have it here for testing purposes for now. You can do. Okay, so we want to add a switch. So we'll throw this in here somewhere. All right. Now I think what we can do for the actual platform itself right here, since I've got this all as one object, I think we can actually add a child and we can do an animation player. And now there's probably a million other better ways to do this. But we're just going to make this move platform into place. We're going to animate. We're going to add new animation. We're going to call it move platform. And probably give it like a 5-second. That'll be fine. And we want to be on turning platform. Also, one other thing I've done, and it's important for how my code works now, is more and more things are getting sorted into like little groups of things. And all the interactables are going to be in this grouping because of how my saving stuff works now. I have a save load function that's still not complete. There's actually no saving and loading that goes on, but I begun it, and that's what counts. And by begun it, I mean I followed like a 5-minute tutorial, and I've kind of just expanded on it from there, making what I needed stuff for. So basically, as things get updated, they'll be added to these various lists, and those lists can then be saved eventually. Alright, so back to what I was doing. We've got move platform into place, which will move platform with animation. We're going to go to turning platform, and we're going to add a position. Create. Now we can just move the whole turning platform. There we go. And now we can keyframe it over here. Oh, whoopsie. Let's try that again. We want to be on the last frame. We want to keyframe it to be right here. So now this will move our platform up. And we should have probably one more animation. Animation, new. Platform in place. We can pretty much do exactly what we just did. Ah, crud. Wait. There we go. Now we can do this. Sure that's saved. Alright. We have to do a platform finish animation? Maybe. Maybe we do. One second. Okay. Now, can we use our same logic switch? Can we just connect directly from the switch? Now we gotta decide how we're gonna do that. One second. Sorry, I'm shifting stuff around again. There it is. Okay. Click on the switch. Switch for big room. Probably need to move that into the actual logic thingy. I need to move the rest of the switches in there. Actually, I haven't done that yet, so let me go ahead and filter for switches. Ah, what switches aren't in there though? That switch is not in there. This switch, this switch, this switch, and this switch. Okay, so for now, let's just drag all these guys in here. Put them in our interactions folder. Interactables. There we go. Okay, so let's just take a look at the code here. Hit switch. Well, first off, we want that to be permanent. Connected logic. I looked back through my code a second to see connected logic. Okay, so we're just gonna add another connection for now. Probably a bad way of doing it. Gonna do an export bar. Maybe we can do this all as one big group thing. Connected simple triggers. Can be an array. I guess it could just be really no 3D. We just might have to do a test method for stuff. If activated... Unactivated. So now we can do for I in connected simple triggers. Dot size. And if connected simple triggers I is not equal to null. This is basically saying, hey, this number is not null. Just in case, because I think if you just do this, tell it to have something to check. I don't know if you would need this. If it's size 0, you shouldn't need to check, right? So maybe this check is not necessary. Okay, so let's skip that for now, and then we'll come back to it and find we probably need it. Now wait a minute. Now wait a minute. Basically, all you missed so far is just me trying to figure out how to get this platform to move. So far, I have an animation that'll move the platform into place. Now what I'm trying to figure out how to do is how to link it up to my switch so that I can make it actually do the move. Actually, I don't think... I don't think I actually need to have an animation play after. Ah, no, this is like Switch 10 at this point. I have my Switch 2. It's actually right behind my monitor right now. Let's change type. That's fine. Okay. Let's just attach script for now. And we're gonna maybe call this like movable. Did I spell movable? I guess that movable platform. We're gonna go to our scripts. Maybe we'll throw it in here. And then we'll create it. And we need to assign it an animation player. I think it has... Of course, what was I thinking? Ah, I misspelled it. It's pointless now. We're just gonna have to live with this spelling, even though it's incorrect. I forgot the X. I can't believe it. Export. animation player. Oh, whoops. There we go. So we're going to export this so that way we can freely assign it on every single one of these we have. And let's give it a class name. And again, I'm sorry, we're going to have to limit it on spelling. I'm too far in. So this class name will make it so that we can find movable platform as a type for things like our switch, for example. Like if we wanted to, say, connect to simple triggers instead of just being Node 3Ds, were movable platform. Which we might still do eventually, but for now we'll just leave it Node 3D. So going back to turning platform, let's see. I think we want to get a function. And maybe we'll say on activated. Is that already a function? Wait a minute. No, I'm just crazy. Okay, it's not already a function. Okay, on activated, we want to anim player.play. Now, we also have to get the name of our animation for this. So, we'll also need to export bar animation to play name will be a string, and it's just going to equal blank for now. So now we have this. So now we can get our move platform. So now animation to play name is linked over here to move platform as our string name, and we can put that in here. Animation to play name. There we go. Now we can go back to our switch and say, okay, for all the connected simple triggers size, if we'll say connected simple triggers I dot has, can we do this? Yeah, has method, and the method is on activated. Then we're going to, would it be faster to assign this to a variable? Oh well, we'll just do it this way for now. It only activates on hit, so it shouldn't be that much performance, but the more this goes on, the more I want to think about performance for things. Although I'm very bad at optimizing things. I am probably as terrible at it as, like, Bethesda or somebody when it comes to optimizing stuff. Connect simple triggers dot on. Wait. That's weird phrasing. Let's rename that. Okay. Instead of being let's just rename it to activate. Now we can just do this. Yeah, that's better. I like that. Ooh. I don't mean to insult myself, but I'm kind of learning all this as I go, figuring stuff out. I broke out of the tutorial dungeon for game design, so now I'm kind of stuck into how do I make this more optimized phase of my journey. I appreciate it. I hope to one day be good enough to make game studios want me. Although I don't think I'd ever want to work at a game studio just because, yeah, they are, a lot of game studios are a nightmare. Okay, so let's see if this works. I dragged my thingy into there. I would have to get insanely lucky and very blessed to be able to do that, to become an indie millionaire. I just want to make a game and put it out there for people to play. I want to make something that's fun. And stupidly in-depth, apparently, because I just keep on adding stuff. Okay, so let's see what happens. And everything's gonna break. Heck yeah, first try, baby! Oh yeah, it's all coming together. In this room, I don't know what I want to do with it. I was gonna turn it into like this like office thing. Oh, I haven't put a ceiling in here yet. But for now, it's just a room with a million boxes. So happy free stuff everywhere. Also, hope you like the coin, because I don't know how to model coins for beans. I gotta think of what to put there. I want to continue that with something, but... Oh, thank you. Okay, and platform is station, like, the actual collision moved with it, so that's what we wanted. There's a little secret down there. After you move the bridge up, you can kind of see it better. If I can hit my own targets. And this guy, I don't know if you were here for earlier, but I actually kind of got his AI a little bit more aggressive now, so he'll kind of try to actually do stuff to you until he gets hit, then he runs away. And gets stuck on objects. He's supposed to be like a little robot, like priest kind of duder, or like kind of guy. But that's as far as I got with his design. He basically just kind of homes in on you and does an electric field. So the whole idea is, if you're doing platforming segments, he becomes very annoying. Just to mess with your day. So yeah, if you're doing something like this, then they can kind of start to make your platforming a little bit more stressful. Just a little bit, though. Also, I probably need to make them faster. As they are, they really aren't all that fast. But who knows, with a bunch of enemies, they might be a handful later. The lore is gonna be... I don't know, really. Basically, my idea is just make creepy game, add weird things to it. There's gonna be lore, but I gotta flesh that out, honestly. But I do want there to be tons of lore. Okay, that's not... Okay, that's weird. I gotta look at that later. I don't know why that wasn't popping. Okay. Alright, so that's working. Now... I think, actually, I can make this more modular, can't I? I don't know. There was not really any categories for game design or programming that I saw. and I typed in Godot thinking that maybe it had like Godot on there. And it had Godot Kart, so I was like, you know what? This is probably close enough to Godot Kart. Probably. Maybe not. So, now I'm wondering if I can actually change my movable platform to be like a simple triggerable. Which means I gotta rename it. Because with the activate... wait, hold on. No, I'm making this more complex than it needs. But I can... If I make a base class, then... We're just gonna leave it movable platform for now, we'll get our life choices later. So that's exactly what we're gonna do. We're just gonna leave it named movable platform for now. And probably wind up making this a child of another class. Maybe doing the simple triggerable thing, but for now it's fine. It's absolutely fine. Okay. Now, as I said, I said at the beginning of the stream, I kind of had an idea for what I wanted to work on, but I kind of already did that a couple days ago by making him already complete, pretty much. I guess I could tweak him some, so this is going to be kind of, just a wing it kind of stream. I'm going to probably increase his movement speed some, I think. Name it movie to platform. Sure. This is movie. He is the platform. Okay, so where was it? Where's his homing speed at? Move towards player times 10. Let's just see what times 10 does instead of times 6. Also, I could really just do a test room and make things a lot easier on myself, but I'm very lazy for that. I need to see my world as I'm making it, so I might just make a test room eventually and do future things in that, but for now, it's all in the overworld, baby. Now the platform has been given a proper name, you will start to form an emotional bond with it. It's like companion cube. Why isn't he homing? Why he no home? I mean, he's moving faster now, but he is moving, like, he's always moving faster now. That's a problem. Does he slow back down? Yeah, okay. So he slows back down if you get out of his range. Okay, that's kind of what I want. But I feel like he's still not aggressive enough, though. And now he's just gonna stare at this wall the whole time. Now, okay, I fixed him. Okay, he's a bit better, maybe. I'm kind of also, until I start, like, getting a version available for people to play, I won't really know how difficult things are, because I'm kind of biased towards what I make, since I know how it works. So, I might just leave him as he is for now, and then hopefully I'll get this whole dungeon done as like a test eventually, and have it available for people to play, and then maybe I can start getting feedback. I don't know, he still feels off. I'll have to think on how to make him better. Much more better. Okay, so what I could do now is make a kind of a gate right here, because I want this to be like a... Eventually I want this to be like a mini boss room, but I've not got a working mini boss ready. I've got this guy. Hold on, let me load the thingy. We could make an anomaly. No, that's why I put his arena over here. His little arena was all the way over here, but I moved it because I put more decoration in the overworld that's still very barren and empty. And going what we actually talked about with the 1 minute rule, I gotta add more stuff. Sure. I'm always down for ideas. What's the suggestion? So this guy will eventually be a mini-boss. But he kind of doesn't do a whole lot other than hop towards you. So I gotta figure out what to do with him later. Yes. Yes, that right there is intended to be the sun. But yeah, yes, I will have a sun in the overworld. Here's a little bit of some basic water. There's not actually any water physics yet. I'm still kind of trying to think of how I want to do water now that I've kind of done the player can go in water thing instead of just making water like a death trigger. Okay. So, let's add let's add a static body, because it doesn't need to move. And we're gonna kinda do a similar thing to how we did this gate right here. But it's not going to be a key door, it's going to be a kill these enemies kind of door. And that'll be for this room. Again, this will eventually be some kind of mini-boss room, but for now it's just going to be a kill enemy room, activate thingy, whatever's in here. Let's move this into place. Go through a phase where it causes everything on the surface to go insane rage or extreme, act exceedingly or extremely erratically. There is... I do want to add that as like a thing, but I gotta figure out what... Yeah, I guess it could be linked to the lighthouse since I want some stuff to be linked to it. But how it's gonna work, the villagers or townies, I haven't decided what I'm gonna call them just yet. I could just call them islanders, maybe. But they're not gonna... the townie islander people, they shouldn't ever be like aggressive towards you because you're... But there might be something down the road that makes one randomly become aggressive. but they are perfect little beans that will need protecting. And if they do see an anomaly, they just forget by the next day, because, you know, that's totally normal. Let's add a mess instance. Let's make it a new plane mess. And then we will make this... Okay, I gotta make it double-sided. How do we make this double-sided again? Oh, that will be in the material. So it's gotta be in this guy. So I'll add a material to him. We're gonna make it alpha. It's transparency. Always. It's gonna be the draw mode. And cull mode is disabled. Okay, so disabling the cull mode will say, okay, so I want you to always be rendering stuff. So that means the back is now going to be rendered. We can make this a little bit bigger. Okay. Touch it. Yes, it's in. Okay, so it's covering slightly all the corners we need it to. Now, we can have fun making some kind of material for this guy. So, let's go with texture. And what's cool about Godot is it has some built-in things that let you make various effects and stuff. So, I'm going to make a new noise texture. So, it generates a little noise texture for us to use. And we can create a new color ramp, new noise. Maybe something like this, just kind of, let's make it kind of red. And we'll move our gradient over here, and we will make it like this. Oh, that might look really neat, actually. One thing is we gotta crisp it up if we want to keep that retro aesthetic, so let's go maybe 128, 128. And then, let's see, shrink it some, like that. Yeah, heck yeah. Okay, something like that for the frequency. And then... Now, you could do a shader material, and I'd be a smart person to do shader materials, but I'm not familiar enough with shader material stuff for... Hold on. Sorry about that. So we're just going to do an animation for this guy. And we want to turn off MIP mapping. So basically what MIP mapping does is it's good for more modern games where you have higher resolution stuff. But for going for a retro aesthetic, you want to turn that off to create a nice crunchy pixely look. Shader, but she's nothing too kind to me. Ha 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 ha. And who knows, I might do a deep dive into learning shader textures later. But as of right now, shader textures absolutely horrify me, and we're gonna pretend they don't exist, except in the case where somebody's already made one and I totally just don't steal it and add it to my water texture thing. But it's okay, because they're in the credits. And I did a YouTube tutorial video on it, so I assume they're okay with me copying it, as long as I give credit. Okay. So now, I think what I'm gonna do is add child node, animation player. We're gonna do another animation. And we're just gonna call it Battle Wall Animation. And then we're gonna go over here, mess. And let's turn on, let's go to UV. And we're gonna use our offset value here. And we're going to say over the course of a second. Maybe we want you to offset by 1. Oh, whoops. 1. Okay. Put that on the Z. Nothing. Okay, so it's on the X then. There we go. Well, let's maybe make it like -2 speed, and we'll make it loop. See what that looks like. Let's make it positive. Change my mind. Too fast. Battle wall. Okay, so we got one texture already, but we can put a secondary texture with the next pass option on here. So let's just copy this guy. And we can paste him in here. Oh. Maybe we can't do that? Ah. Maybe we'll just do a new other standard material. And then maybe we can just copy this texture. And then paste it in here. That might be what we do. Yeah, that were ooh. Ooh. No. Transparency. Alpha. There we go. And I think for it, we'll also add it to the animation, but we'll maybe have it doing scale, perhaps? My snapping isn't on. Hold on. Wait, 1, 2, 5. That should be fine. There it is. Actually, already looking kind of sick though. No, never mind. Not sick. Not so sick anymore. I don't know if this will look good or not, but we're gonna see. Do 1. Oh no, no. We also need to add. Since it's not centered, we'll have to add offset. Let's add him. Let's see what that looks like. Nope. Nope. That's not. Nope. That's wrong. Ah. There we go, that looks kind of sick. Maybe a bit simple, but it should work for now. Probably need to actually add some emission color to it also, so it, or maybe just we make it unshaded. Let's see. Shadows. Thank you. What's backlighting do on this? Okay. So we got backlighting, and then we do maybe another backlighting. Did that do anything? I can't tell. What if we do a mission? Ah. No, that's not what we need. Okay. What? Oh, that's backlighting. Maybe I should have pasted it here. Nope. Okay. Okay, that'll work. That'll work. It gets the point across. You can't cross it until you defeat everything. Or at least that's going to be the goal. Okay. So now for Battle Wall, we will add a... Great collision shape. Sibling, Trimesh, that's fine. Okay. So now the Battle Wall, we need to set up to only go away when we defeat all the enemies in the room. So we need to make a new script, attach script, and Battle Wall. Should I put it in the enemies category since it's enemy adjacent? Nah, we'll put it in the enemy thing. It'll be fine. Okay, and we need a list of enemies. So we need another @export, because @export allows our variable to pop out here, and we can easily edit it. Makes it very modular. Very expensive. We will enemies to kill list. Array, and I think we even have a base. Or yeah, we do. We have enemy base, so we can throw our enemies in here. Now, on ready, I think enemy base has a on death. Doesn't it? Die. Yes, die. Okay. So now, we can call function ready, and wait a minute. Hold on. Wait, no, hold on. Okay, we need 4 enemy in enemies to kill list. I think this is right. We need connect. Okay, before we connect, we gotta say function on enemy killed. Pass for now. Connect. On enemy killed to callable enemy dot die. Is that right? Is that how I do that? If I got it backwards, wait, connect signal string name. No, because it's not a callable. Wait a minute. Connect enemy. Okay, let me think a minute. Okay, so you can't do this because it's not. Okay. Wait, okay, so we need to do... Enemy base, okay, signal. Let's put a new signal up here. Signal. I think I'm doing this right. I don't use signals as much as I should. And it's really showing. Enemy has died. Signal enemy has died and die. Anemone and an enemy. Anemone. Anemone has died. Enemy has died. Okay, so we're gonna emit signal. Enemy has died. Wait, oops. Maybe it's gotta be... Can I just do this? Emit. Okay. Anemone. Now. So now in the enemy base class, when the enemy dies, it will emit a signal. Enemy has died.emit. Which should now be hearable by this guy if we connect enemy dot connect signal enemy has died, and then callable on enemy killed. Okie dokie, okie dokie. Now, we're almost already ready to test, I think, if I need a function to be all enemies have been killed. And then we will queue free. So basically, queue free is saying, okay, I can delete myself from the tree. Everything in Godot is branches and trees pretty much, so this would be like a tree, and everything inside would be a branch, for example. So this branch is going to just sever itself, commit Sudoku, go away. It's gone. He's dead, Jim. Just like these enemies are dead. Now wait, hold on. Okay. On enemy killed. So we need a variable. I know, it's a very sad story. Enemies left. Is going to be an integer, and on ready enemies, whoops, anemones, and enemies left equals enemies. No, now you autocorrect what I didn't want, man. enemies to kill equals enemies to kill dot size. On enemy killed, enemies left. Can I do minus minus? Does that work? No. It's gotta be minus. Okay, minus equal 1. Okay. So basically, an enemy dies, and we're gonna change number of enemies left by 1, and we're gonna check if enemies left equals 0, then call all enemies have been killed. Then that will get rid of our gate. Alright. Enemies to kill list array. Oh. Oh, I love this song. I don't know why, but this is... Well, I know why. It's an awesome song, but this is like one of my favorite songs in all of Ocarina of Time. All enemies have been killed, kill free. Is that right? Is that all? I feel like that's not everything. I'm forgetting something, I'm sure. Basic wall, enemy has died, on enemy killed. Okay, so now we can add our enemies to this. So now we can... I'm gonna rename him so he's easier to find. Chomper. This is gonna be the Chomper that belongs in the battle room. The designated battle room. Same with Cathead. Just so I can easily find him. Okay. And you. Okay. Now we can click on that guy again. We can hide all this. Don't need it. Battle wall. Now we can start adding enemies. We're just gonna add a single. We're just gonna add one of the cat heads to say if it be a quicker test. That way, we just gotta kill one enemy to make the wall go away for now. Add a wall, and then what else? Oh, well, there is one more thing I want to do, and that is going to be. Okay, so this is kind of... So, I have a save load system that I'm going to be slowly implementing over time. And what I need to have... Where is it? There it is. What I need to have is everything that's interactable, collectible, whatever you'd have it, whatever it is, needs to go into one of these so it can be saved. Now, right now, I just got contents to save, but eventually I'll throw these other guys in there, too. So, for interactables, the battle thingy is going to go into here, but to do that, I need to look back at my other code. Where is it? Let's just go to logic. Okay. So, I want to copy these, because I need... I'm going to be using the object's name to save everything. Which means I have to move Battle Wall into Interactables. So Interactables can go right underneath Movie to Platform. So now, I can go down here to onReady variable. Name of first parent that this object resides in, which is going to be, for the sake of this, Interactables. We're going to get that name, which is Interactables, and the name of that level, name of the level that it resides in, is going to be False Factory, or False Locations Factory 1. But I got its level name right here, so it'll actually False Location Factory Variant 1, because there will be multiple variants eventually. So, what that'll do is eventually add that to the string name. Where is it? Right here. We're gonna copy this code right here. And I just implemented this like night before last, so everything's still kind of fresh in my head. Well, not fresh in my head, but I'm not used to adding it yet. So I'm kind of copying everything for now. So the name, the object's actual name, which is Battle Wall, plus underscore, plus name of the first parent that this object resides in, which is Interactables, plus underscore, plus name of the level that this object resides in, which is False Location Factory V1, or False Location Factory Variant 1. And that will give us a name that is unique, nothing else can have it, and it can be saved. So if you have other battle walls, like if you were to have another battle wall, for example, it would be Battle Wall 2, and then it would be underscore Interactables underscore level name. Because it's all under Interactables. So now let's check the code again. If save Interactables to save has got name, or has get name. Oh, whoopsie. Then we can queue free. Ain't no holla back, girl. Okay, maybe I don't need to separate this into... Delete me. No. Move this under here. I don't know if we'll expand this function, but for now, we can just say, okay, it's time to delete the door. That way, we can make it clear what this does. So we're saying if saveload.interactable to save.has get name, which will be this name, already saved in its list, then it knows that, okay, it's time to delete the door. And it goes away. Now, let's see if I can do this from memory. Okay, all enemies have been killed. Then we will call save load Interactables to save. And all we gotta do is throw in get name. So we'll get this node's name, and we'll say it equals true. Okay, that was simple enough. So now we're saying, okay, all the enemies have been killed, so get rid of the door in a second, but first I want you to save my name to your long list of things. That way, next time the player loads this level, you can be like, wait, you're already on my list, you can go away now. So let's see what broke. Things are gonna break. Things are broken. Things have got to be broken. The platform moving worked first try, so I have no reason to expect this to work first try. Yep. I got too greedy. I flew too close to the sun. Oh, wait. Wait, okay. Is that not the name of the thing? Wait a minute. Wait a moment. Hold on. Wait. No, hold on. Wait. Oh, this thing we call failure is not the falling down, but the staying down. Oh, Bennett Foddy. like this has been going on for a long time. Oh, because it's a 15-minute version. Oh well. It's only got like 5 more minutes. We'll listen to it. Signal enemy has died. Okay. But yes, but I understand. But why enemy has died? But wait, no. Okay, so hold on. Okay, this is okay. Wait. Okay. Dot connect enemy has died. Wait. Connect signal string name. Enemy has died. Okay. On enemy. Oh, whoops. Wait. Oh, wait, is that it? On enemy. Is that it? Yeah, we're gonna be stuck in this postal shop a while. Get ready. Okay, connect. Okay, let's just read about connect a second. Connect. Connect on button down. Wait, hold on. Wait, okay, this is where it gets confusing. This is where my head starts to hurt. Okay. Okay. Connect signal string name callable. A signal by name to a callable. Optional flags can also be configured to the connection's behavior. Signal can be connected once to the same callable. If signal is already connected, this method returns an invalid parameter and puts an error message, which we just got. Calls object is free, the connection will be lost. Okay. Connect. Connect. One button down. Player.hit.connect. Okay. Oh, wait. Okay. Enemy dot. Okay. Enemy has died. Dot connect. And it's going to be on enemy killed. Right? Is that right? Is that correct? Wait, where'd it go? Connect? Okay, is that connect? Okay. We're gonna see it, okay. So we're saying enemy, its signal, enemy has died. We're going to connect it to on enemy killed. Okay, this'll work. You gotta believe. Okay, 100% go mode. Let's do this. And again, if I had a test room, then we could be there already, and we could just be testing it. But instead, I gotta walk all the way here, so probably next stream, or next time I do a programming stream, there will be a test room instead of this lovely, absolutely objective-filled overworld. Uh-oh. Invalid type and function, okay. Cannot convert argument 1 from nil to callable. Cannot. Enemy has died. Enemy has died. Huh. Not expecting this to be what I was stuck on. We're gonna be in the potion shop a long time. Like, I mean, we just don't know what to buy. Dot connect on press. Press, button press, okay. Dot pressed, dot connect. Okay, button pressed, dot connect. Object signal. Wait. Hold on, wait, oh, wait, hold on, wait, no. Wait, no, hold on. No. Wait, no, hold on. Wait a minute, hold on. Enemy has died, enemy base signal, enemy has died, that's right, that's all good. In the hood. Okay. That's right. That's gotta be right. But how's it not right? Is it because my actors are not... Wait, hold on, wait a minute. Wait a minute, hold on. Let me just move them up above the interactables. Maybe that's my problem? Okay, let's just put this in here. Doesn't really matter. It's a mess of organization at the moment. Actors. I don't need to separate them by room. But we'll leave them in there for now. Just keep. Okay. Was not expecting this to be what got me stuck. Aye, so there's something else wrong, eh? Okay. Okay, right. Cannot connect. Okay, can't connect. To enemy has died. The provided callable is null. Cannot connect to enemy has died. Provided callable is null. I misspell it, right? No, I didn't misspell it. Nobody expects the coding inquisition. Battle wall, why? This work. Oh, people who know signals are like screaming at me. Oh. Okay. Enemy dot connect. Wait a minute, hold on, wait, no, hold on, wait, have I done the, no? No. 4 button, wait, no, wait, okay, wait, enemy's kill list is enemy base, so it is enemy, so it is registering as an enemy, so it's, or an enemy base rather, so it's gotta be something simple. It's always something simple. I just don't know what it is. Unpressed. Okay. On enemy killed. That's right. Cheer up, superstar. Okay, enemy has to. Okay. I'm just. My brain is too small. I'm googling this. Give me a second. Good for how signal how make work. Signal connect how make signal connect help work, please. Wait a minute. Is it just... No, that isn't right. That isn't right at all. Is it... Do I have to do it this way? Wait, okay. Maybe I do. Okay, maybe I just gotta connect, okay, maybe there's gotta be... Maybe it's gotta have its own signal. Of, just, butts. What if... connect butts... On a signal. Okay, so that's not it. Maybe it's... Maybe we just leave off the... Maybe we just leave off... That doesn't feel right. Get ready for another crash. It's coming. Oh, it's coming. There's gonna be another crash. It's happening right here. Okay, we're in. Colonel, I'm in. You know, the bad thing is, this level is such a mismatch of different, or it's gonna eventually just, since it's kind of my testing ground, gonna be such a mismatch of various things. It's just gonna be a weird level in the final game. I guess it could severely be reworked, but I missed again. Somewhere a door unlocks. I hope so. Hopefully it'll be a fun level. Excuse me, sir. Oh, also, I forgot. Nope, we need to go. You guys. I'm leaving. No. Okay. Listen, you goobers. Listen. I feel like I'm getting mad at my own children for doing exactly what I told them to do. There's a handy guy, and now he's gone. Okay, as I was gonna say, I've got like a mechanic that I don't know if I'm gonna keep in the game, because I gotta rework it somehow if I want to keep it, but yeah, when you hit walls, you actually kind of bounce back, and you can actually kind of jump up with it. So the problem is, I think I can literally get up this whole thing here if I just... It's a bit too bouncy. It's a bit too bouncy. So I gotta tweak it, but I don't know if I want to keep it in or not. But I kind of added it at a friend from work's request. I have something like that. So I don't know if I'm gonna keep that or not. Now this door's locked. Wait, now you gotta... What would the... I gotta check the collision detection for the slingshot. and ignore the fact that there's no wall there. Oh, wait, it's not, oh. It's not animating because I didn't tell it to animate, that's why. Hey, let's see if you... Okay, cool, it works, okay, awesome. And just to make sure... Just pretend there's a wall here. Just pretend. No, go away. We're gonna leave the level and come back, and we're gonna see if it's still gone. Oh, hey, you're in here. You know what, you can live for now. I don't have this set up to... I need to set that up on a thingy. Because when I reload the level, it's gonna be right back down. Okay, so we're back out. Now when we go back in... Yeah, okay, so I don't have that one. I probably want to save this one to where it's, like, loaded. But as of right now, it's not loaded. Or it's not a loadable thingy. So if everything's working as intended, this door should still be unlocked. It shouldn't have locked back. Okay, it stayed unlocked. And the battle barrier should be gone. Or battle wall, my bad. Battle wall. Battle barrier sounds better. I might rename it battle barrier. Whoops. I also need to... So I need to make any switch that's permanent also go into the... What is up with the slingshot collision? Well, this is a thing to fix. Cool. Okay. All right. Awesome. So I'm curious what's going on with the slingshot ammo. Okay, maybe I need to make this... I need to make it bigger? Maybe I need to make it bigger. Maybe that's my problem. Let's just double the size of it and see if that gives us more consistent hitting stuff results. Although I have a feeling that it is going to make it collide on walls. Okay, let's see how easily I can hit a switch. Let's get a good distance away. Okay. Let's see how easily I can... Okay. Okay, so I gotta rework my way to the green room. Which again, would be so much easier. I need to implement a debug menu so that I can just do debug commands. instead of having to do all this every single time. Also, I want to set it up to where a camera will kind of show you what has changed in the level. Maybe better. Okay. Maybe that feels better. We'll leave it like that for now. So I don't know why having a smaller radius it was not hitting unless the raycast that tells it, hey, I'm colliding with a surface was doing something. I don't know. Okay. Let's see. What do we want to work on next? Probably stream for about 30 more minutes, and then I'll call it. What do I want to work on in that time? Maybe we can start making some more level. Add a ceiling here. Okay. 1 second. Okay. Did update to Crocodile now? Maybe I gotta minimize this. Let's minimize that. There we go. Okay. Let's just keep going, building this little hallway we got going on. Not sure how far away I want this to go, though. You know, we could probably make a platforming room. That's one of our things. Since we're just kind of throwing every theme, our test theme at the wall. Maybe that's what we'll do. Okay, so you're gonna leave out of this hallway here. Gonna have a nice big room, I think. I think we're gonna do another big room, but that room's gonna get in our way, isn't it? Maybe not. Maybe we have plenty of room to make it a big, fairly big guy. Whoops, one too many. Oops. Those tiles aren't supposed to be there. What I'm thinking is, why don't we have a, like, gated in, like, little corridor inside this room here? Also, the only annoying thing about doing textures like 2D planes like this is I gotta figure out exactly where I ended it. But I gotta do it on both sides right here. That's a bit of a headache to do, because it leads to me forgetting things. How am I gonna make this work now? I want to do it that way. Maybe I can just make a room. Yeah, maybe let's just do this. Let's just do this instead. Make a long pit down into darkness. So you walk into the room, then bang, you're seeing like a big chasm sprawl before you. There will be moving platforms in here. Put something down here. About right here. Oh, hello, wall. Oh, 1 second, guys. Okay, I'm back, I think. Alright. What was I doing? Who am I? Where am I? What year is it? Thank you. Okay, gotta go up here. Whoopsie. One too far back. Was it one too far back? Yeah, it's one too far back. There we go. There we go. You know, I probably should have split this level up into multiple little sections I could import. Because crocodiles begin to chug just a little bit. Probably isn't the best thing. But it's too late. We live with the decisions we made. I'm gonna put like a... Whoopsie. Oh, I hate doing slopes. So one thing to crocodile makes a little bit difficult is doing slopes. It's possible, but it's just a bit tricky. I think I can just do it all as one big thing. Need one more. No, I don't need one more. This will work. Then I've got to select all these guys. Such relaxing music. There we go. And I can do it like this. And there goes the relaxing music. Welcome to bonus round. I'm sure there's a much faster way to do this. But for right now, this is how I do it. Oh. Okay. Now we can tab back. How do I clear all the selections? Let me save, and then, is it? Give me just a second, I gotta look at the documentation for Crocodile now. I don't remember how to deselect all the vertices. I must read the documentation. Okay, Control D. There we go. Now we're back. Okay. Maybe here I'll put in like a... Nah. We'll get there. Yeah, I gotta make the ceiling a good bit higher. Well, a little bit higher. Not that much higher. All in good time. One step at a time. I want to have like a little doorway up here that will connect to more stuff. I want there to be a platforming challenge, so I might have to like put like a gate or like a graded fence thing, this texture. It's like a divider. So you can't just cheese the platforming challenge, but for now we just gotta make the platforming challenge, then we'll worry about fixing any cheese. And I think this will also be a good room for the Chompy Boys to show off. Being a nuisance when platforming. See? Oh, crap. I went one too many. No? What? I didn't go one too many? Okay. There. Should be lined up now. Let me just move this back here. There we go. And then we can make this roof. There we are. Let's make... Oh, one sec, guys. I'm back. Ugh. Hopefully I can at least get a start on this room in the game. What? Music? Yes. Now we gotta texture the underside here. And we'll create an opening for where the door will go eventually. There we go. And that'll work out nice, because the hallway for the door will be right past the other room. It just works. What can I say? Okay. Now, export scene. Export. Oh boy! Okay, I gotta stretch. Okay, stretch. Oh. Break every bone and body. Okay. Still exporting. We're gonna be here a second. Yeah, for any levels going forward, I will probably split them up into different rooms or different sections of level. Because I feel like I'm about at the limit of how big I can make this level. I can make it a little bit bigger probably, but then I'm going to start to get heavy lag in the editor. But that's Future Grover's problem. And this is Blender. I didn't know if we do any modeling or anything, so I opened it. Godot. Where's Godot? There's Godot. There it is. Okay. Re-importing assets, and there's our new room. All ready to go. We're gonna have to put in lights and stuff. Come on. Let me select the light. There it is. Keeping with the blue theme of this. About right there will be fine. And of course we're going to have to add lights into this room as well. So let's go ahead and slap it in here. And let's make this light a little bit brighter. So we can actually go into our light.
He didn't come in here, did he?
I don't think so. I haven't seen him.
Okay. I interrupt.
You're good. Let's extend the range, make it like a 1200. Maybe make the brightness a little bit brighter, or make the color a little bit better. And maybe we can have an all blue room. That might be pretty neat. How far do I have this light traveling? Okay, so I'm viewing the environment, but I can't see what it's going to look like exactly. Too far. Oh, hey, you can see the other room from here. We will eventually fix that, but it will not be tonight. What the? Oh, whoops. Whoopsie. I copied the light without actually copying the light. The fixture. I also moved it without moving the whole light. There we go. Okay, let's just see how these lights are looking. If we need to brighten it up, we'll probably need to brighten it up a good bit. Ah, pretend there's a ceiling here. My bad. I forgot to update the collision mess. Oops. Okay, so we gotta find the level itself. Where is the collision? Factory dungeon right here. And we're going to need to add... I think we can just do this. Create collision. Static body child. And then we can delete this old one, slap in the new boy, and delete the old boy. And we can hide it so we don't see this little grid everywhere. And then let's just see what this room looks like now. Okay, hopefully nothing falls through the floor this time. Okay, I didn't. Oh yeah. Maybe add some more lights around. I think this will work. Okay. I'm probably gonna call this. Yeah, I'm probably gonna call the stream here for tonight, guys. I'm sorry I couldn't make it to the moving platform stuff. But I will have that added for next time, and then we'll go from there probably. Or next time I do a programming stream, anyways. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the stream. Hopefully you learned stuff after me doing stupid stuff and trying to make it work. And as always, Ezekiel, thank you for watching, dude. I hope you enjoyed the stream. And I'm about to go eat some dinner and chill out for the rest of the night. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and you guys have a great night and stuff.